Have you ever wondered how to start investing? That's a question many of us ask ourselves, but it's not as complicated as it may seem. Investing, in its simplest form, is about making your money work for you. It's about taking the money you've earned and putting it into financial instruments like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds to grow it over time. Why is investing important? Well, it's one of the most effective ways to build wealth and secure your financial future. It's like planting seeds today for a harvest in the future. Imagine your money as those seeds, growing and multiplying as time goes on. Investing can be a game changer. It can help you reach your financial goals, whether that's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. It might seem intimidating at first with all the jargon and numbers, but once you understand the basics, it becomes a lot easier. Investing might seem complicated at first, but once you understand the basics, it becomes a lot easier. Before you start investing, you need to define your financial goals. Now you might be thinking, why is this so crucial? Well, it's simple. Your financial goals serve as your roadmap in the world of investing. They give you direction, a sense of purpose, and most importantly, they keep you focused. Let's say you're dreaming of buying a shiny new car or a cozy house in the suburbs, or perhaps you're looking forward to a comfortable retirement where you can enjoy the fruits of your hard-earned money. These are all examples of financial goals. They're personal, they're meaningful, and they're your motivation to invest. When you've got clear financial goals, you're not just tossing your money into the wind and hoping for the best. Instead, you're strategically placing your money in investments that will help you reach those goals. Remember, having clear financial goals will guide your investment decisions. So before you dive into the investing pool, take a moment to define what you're swimming towards. Every investment comes with some level of risk. It's like walking a tightrope. Some of us can stroll across with a wide grin, while others might be hugging the rope for dear life. That's essentially what risk tolerance is. It's how much financial uncertainty you can handle. The thrill seekers among us might be comfortable taking on high-risk investments with the potential for high returns. On the other hand, those who prefer to play it safe might lean towards low-risk investments that offer stable but potentially lower returns. Your risk tolerance is shaped by various factors: your financial goals, your timeline, your financial situation, and yes, even your personality. It's a deeply personal thing. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial. It's like knowing your shoe size before you go shoe shopping. It helps you filter out what doesn't fit and focus on what does. It's about finding the right balance between risk and reward. Knowing your risk tolerance will help you make informed investment decisions. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This old adage holds true in investing as it does in life. Diversification is the practice of spreading your investments across different financial instruments, sectors, and geographical regions. This strategy helps to reduce risk by ensuring that a downturn in one investment doesn't spell disaster for your entire portfolio. Think about it like this: if you only invest in technology stocks and the technology sector takes a hit, your entire portfolio will suffer. But if you've diversified, investing in a variety of sectors such as healthcare, energy, and consumer goods, then a downturn in technology might be offset by gains elsewhere. Diversification also allows you to take advantage of various market trends. Some sectors or regions may perform better than others at different times, and by diversifying, you give yourself the opportunity to benefit from these trends. In essence, diversification is a crucial strategy to help you reach your financial goals while minimizing risk. Choosing the right platform is an essential step in your investment journey. Let's dive into the world of investment platforms. There are several types to choose from, each with its unique features and benefits. First up, we have brokerage accounts. These are like your personal investment supermarkets. They offer a wide range of investment options from stocks to bonds and mutual funds. If you prefer having control over your investment choices, this might be the route for you. Next, there are robo-advisors. These platforms use computer algorithms to manage your investments. If you're someone who likes to set it and forget it, a robo-advisor might be your best bet. Lastly, we have direct stock purchase plans. These allow you to buy shares directly from the company. often without a broker's fees. These are great if you have a specific company you want to invest in. When choosing a platform, consider your investment goals, budget, and how hands-on you want to be. Choosing the right platform can make your investment journey smoother and more efficient. Investing isn't a set-it-and-forget-it kind of deal. A wise person once said that, and they were spot on. The world of investing is dynamic and constantly changing, much like the seasons. So just as you wouldn't wear your winter coat in the middle of summer, you shouldn't stick with an investment strategy that's not suitable for the current market conditions. The key to successful investing lies in regular monitoring and adjustments. These aren't just fancy words, they're essential practices that can make or break your investment journey. Let's break them down a bit. Monitoring your investments isn't just about checking your portfolio balance every now and then. It's about keeping an eye on the market trends, understanding how they're affecting your investments, and staying informed about any major changes in the financial world. It's like being a captain of a ship sailing through a sea of numbers and charts, always on the lookout for any signs of a storm or a golden opportunity. Adjustments, on the other hand, are about making necessary changes to your investment strategy based on the information you gather through monitoring. Maybe you've noticed that a certain sector is booming and you want to get a piece of the action. Or perhaps one of your stocks isn't performing as expected and it's time to let it go. Remember, it's not about being right all the time. It's about being flexible and willing to adapt. Now, while it's important to adjust your investments based on market conditions, it's equally important to consider any changes in your personal financial goals. Maybe you've just had a baby and you want to start saving for their college tuition. Or perhaps you're getting close to retirement and want to shift towards more conservative investments. Whatever the case may be, your investments should always be aligned with your goals. So there you have it. Regular monitoring and adjustments are like the steering wheel and the gear stick of your investment vehicle, guiding you towards your financial destination. Remember, regular monitoring and adjustments are critical to ensure that your investments stay aligned with your financial goals.